Once upon a time, in the lush landscapes of Vietnam, a land known for its vibrant culture and resilient people, a storm of conflict was brewing. It was during the late 1960s, a time when the Vietnam War had reached its peak.
In today's video, I will show you how to create a viral talking AI avatar. Nowadays, these videos are very popular in TikTok, Instagram, and many more social media platforms. Now, let's get started. First, we are going to Leonardo AI. When you come in this page, click here in AI image generation. Now, we have to write a prompt here to generate the image. For example, I will type Buddhist religion man with bald head and simple dress. When image is ready, choose the one image which you like the most and download that image. If you didn't like any image, generate another image. Now, we have an image but we don't have any story. For that, we are going to use ChatGPT. As you know, if we want good viral video, for that we need good story. For example, I will type, write a short motivation story about Buddhist religion. When story is ready, read the whole story. If you didn't like any sentence, any word, or whole story, you can ask again ChatGPT to write another story. When you satisfied with your story, copy the whole text and head off to the 11 labs and paste your story here. Basically, it was text-to-speech websites where we can generate our audio. Then, choose the voice here which you like the most, and click on Generate. When audio is ready, simply download that audio. Now, we're going to make our character talk. For that, come here in DIDAI. I will also leave the link in description box. Then, click here and create a video and upload your image, which was generated by Leonardo AI. After that, upload your audio here which was generated by 11 labs. Then click here and generate video, and you have to wait just a minute. When video was ready, watch the video how it was. If everything good, download the video. Now, we have to add subtitles in our video. For that, we are going to use v.io. When you come this page, click here and create project. Then, upload your video files here. After that, go to the subtitles here and click on auto transcribe and generate your subtitles. Then, go the styles and choose the animation, color and much more. Choose the subtitles which match your video. Once you done everything's here, click on export and download that video, but it will comes with watermark. We have to remove this watermark. For that, we are going to use 1 to 3 apps. When you come in this page, click here in remove logo from video. After that, upload your video files here. Then, select the area of the logo and click the save and download that video. Now, let's look our video how it was look like.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst serene mountains, lived a young girl named Sujata. Sujata was an inquisitive soul, always seeking answers to life's deeper questions. Her village was primarily inhabited by followers of various religions, but it was the teachings of Buddhism that intrigued her.
Now, I will show you video in other language. For that, we have to go to the ChatGPT. For example, we will make video in Hindi language. And I will type here, write a short fairy tale story in Hindi language. When story is ready, copy the story and head off to the DID and click here and create video. And choose the AI model here, or you can add your own face here. For example, I will choose this. After that, paste your story here. Then, choose the Hindi language here. Once you done everything's here, click on generate video. Now, let's look our final video.
एक समय की बात है, एक गांव में एक गरीब लड़का रहता था जिसका नाम राजू था। उसके माता-पिता बहुत गरीब थे और वे रोजगार ढूंढने के लिए
Don't forget to tell me guys which AI avatar was best. I will show you also 3 AI avatar. And you have to tell me in comment box which language they are speaking.
Es war einmal ein armer Junge namens Raju, der in einem Dorf lebte. Seine Eltern waren sehr
एक समयको कुरा हो, एक गाउँमा एक गरिब छोरा राजु थियो। Unka माता-पिता धेरै गरिब थिए।
Noong unang panahon, may isang mahirap na batang nagngangalang Raju na naninirahan sa isang nayo.
Remember that make money online requires time, effort, and dedication to see results. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.